all you're selling. I'm just kidding. Come on in. Hello, everyone. This is me, Morgan, your wonderful host. And today, we're going to be doing something extra special involving makeup. Come in close, right there. Yeah. Okay. Makeup. Benjamin is going to be doing his makeup, his own makeup. I'm going to give him a bunch of stuff to use. He's just going to go for it. I'm not giving him any instruction at all. So we'll see what happens. We're here because Ben is going to be doing some makeup.
What?
He didn't know that, but now he knows.
Okay. What do you mean? Am I putting it on you?
Nope.
What am I doing?
Benjamin here thought he was helping me with a school project. Turns out he's gonna be doing his own makeup today. Super exciting.
Oh my.
So Ben, what do you think you're gonna do?
I will know exactly how to put things on and where to put them, and I'm gonna do a great job. So right here we have some Tarte teas. What it is exactly, I don't know, but I think I'm supposed to take a brush and apply it. So, I'm gonna take this little brush and I'm going to sort. And I like this color because it's colorful. It's a brown. It's a little bit of sparkles in there. So just get a little apply in there. And we're gonna put it, I believe this is eyeshadow. So we're gonna apply, and you know what? Order really doesn't matter with makeup. It's just do whatever you want, whenever you want. So I'm just gonna apply it right here. Make myself look a little fiercer, you know what I'm saying? Ladies, gentlemen? Yeah? Gotta get the other side, yeah? Absolutely, kind of smells like chocolate, just a little bit. Probably shouldn't inhale that, huh? That was some Tarte teas. Enjoy that. Next, we're gonna do some Too Faced. And this is we're gonna blush up our cheeks with this. We're gonna make them all nice and rosy red. So, take your bigger brush. Ooh, I like the color. Now that gets the job done. I'm gonna put it on my forehead here. Get my forehead all nice and rosy red. Because that's really where the attraction center is. It's the forehead. I don't know if you guys knew that or not. This is hula. So, as you can see in here, it's a little model of the Grand Canyon. So you can really see how grand your face can be. All right, so we're gonna grab another brush and put some of this on my face to make myself look a little dirty. You know what I'm saying? A dirty nose is almost as good as a rose. Okay. This is Lacone. And we're just gonna, I believe this should go on my eyes. So we're gonna do that now. Oh yeah, I feel pretty already. I feel really pretty now. And actually, I'm gonna put some on my nose to bring the nose hairs out because I am told that women love nose hairs. So I'm just gonna. This is lipstick, and it's a pretty pink to go along with my rosy cheeks and my rosy forehead. So I'm going to apply this directly to my lips, and what you want to do is really try to highlight the outside of your lips too. And that about does it for my makeup tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more content. And hopefully, if you guys like this, I can do this more often with some different looks. Okay, thanks. Bye. Look.
This is fun. Wow.
I'm so pretty.